Welcome to our roundup of the best cordless leaf vacuums and blowers. Whether you're tackling fall cleanup, managing a large yard, or just looking for a lightweight and efficient way to clear leaves and debris, we've selected some of the top-rated models that combine power, portability, and convenience. We'll break down each tool's performance, battery life, design, and usability to help you find the perfect fit for your outdoor cleaning needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal cordless blower for you. The first on the list is the Works WG5 8440V cordless leaf blower. The WG584 is designed for homeowners who want powerful performance without sacrificing portability. With its dual 20V power share batteries, it delivers 40 volts of total power and provides reliable runtime for longer cleaning sessions. The 3-speed control with turbo boost allows you to adjust airflow from gentle clearing on decks to maximum power for thick leaves and heavier debris. Its brushless motor technology ensures more efficiency, less heat, and a longer lifespan compared to traditional motors. The ergonomic design makes it easy to maneuver, and at only 7.3 pounds, it is light enough for extended use without fatigue. Overall, the Works WG584 is a versatile, high-performance blower that balances power with comfort, making it perfect for all-around yard work. Next up is the Makita XBU02Z36V brushless blower. Makita is well known for reliability, and the XBU02Z is no exception. This blower runs on two 18V LXD lithium-ion batteries for a combined 36V output, giving you up to 28 minutes of runtime at mid-speed on a single charge. The variable speed trigger and cruise control let you fine-tune airflow between 120 and 473 cubic feet per minute, ensuring you get just the right amount of power for the task. The quiet operation at only 61 decibels makes it one of the more neighborhood-friendly blowers, perfect for residential areas. While it's a bit heavier than some models, its robust power and Makita's durable build make it an excellent choice for those who want professional-grade performance in a cordless design. Next, we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 120 cordless handheld blower. Built for demanding users, this blower is powered by Milwaukee's M18 Fuel technology, delivering up to 120 miles per hour airspeed and 450 cubic feet per minute airflow. It uses the brand's RedLink Plus intelligence system to optimize performance and protect against overload, ensuring reliable operation even under tough conditions. Another standout feature is the high-efficiency brushless motor, which maximizes battery power and extends tool life. At 4.9 pounds without the battery, it's easy to handle while still delivering powerful airflow to clear leaves, grass, and debris quickly. For anyone already invested in Milwaukee's M18 battery system, this blower is a practical, heavy-duty addition that offers both convenience and professional-level performance. Next up is the Greenworks 40V cordless brushless leaf blower. This model is popular among homeowners for its balance of performance, efficiency, and affordability. With its 40V lithium-ion battery, it provides strong, consistent power while maintaining quiet operation. The brushless motor improves durability and efficiency, giving you longer run times and reduced where compared to standard motors. One of its best features is the cruise control with variable speed settings, which allows you to maintain steady airflow for easier handling during larger yard projects. It's lightweight at just 6 pounds, making it user-friendly for extended cleanup sessions. With easy push-button start and low maintenance compared to gas-powered models, the Greenworks 40V blower is an ideal choice for everyday yard work and seasonal leaf cleanup. The last one on our list is the EGO Power Plus LB53 023-speed turbo leaf blower. EGO has made a strong name in cordless outdoor tools, and the LB5302 shows why. It delivers 530 cubic feet per minute of airflow with speeds up to 110 miles per hour, giving you plenty of power to handle tough yard jobs. The 3-speed control with turbo boost allows you to switch between light sweeping and heavy-duty blowing instantly, making it versatile for different tasks. Another key highlight is the high-efficiency brushless motor, which not only extends runtime, but also reduces vibration for a smoother user experience. Backed by EGO's 56V ARC lithium battery system, it delivers industry-leading performance while remaining lightweight and easy to use. For those who want a powerful, efficient, and durable cordless blower, the LB5302 is a standout choice. So, that's it for the best cordless leaf vacuums and blowers you can get right now. From the versatile Works WG584 to the heavy-duty Milwaukee M18 Fuel and the powerful yet lightweight EGO Power Plus LB5302, each model brings something unique to the table. If you want longer runtime, Makita is a solid pick, and for all-around convenience, Greenworks is hard to beat. No matter which you choose, each of these blowers offers the performance and portability to make yard cleanup faster and easier. All product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your outdoor spaces clean and well maintained.